Students, in this video for classwork lesson 3 transport and communication, already we have finished lesson 3 1 mark and 4th Roman. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. Now Roman 5th one, answer the following questions. Now first one, what do you understand by land transport? Briefly explain the type of land transport. Okay, now answer. Land transport is the transport or movement of people, animal and goods from one location to another on land. Now roadways. Road and bridges were laid. They reach far into villages and town. They reach far into villages and town. Roads can be laid over mountain, plain and desert. ROADS road, AND and bridges, BRIDGES bridges were, were laid, LAID laid. They, THEY, they reach, REACH reach, FAR, INTO into villages, VILLAGES villages and ANT and town, TOWNS towns. Roads, ROADS roads, can, can, BEB laid, LAID laid, over, OVER over, mountain, MOUN mount, tain, TAINS tain, plain, PLAINS plain and ANT and desert, DESERTS desert. Next one, railway. We have electric train, diesel train and even magnetic levitation train which run a few millimeters above the track. These trains are the fastest train in the world. There are also super fast train and metro rails. We have have electric train, electric electric tric electric train, TRAINS electric train. Diesel train, TIESEL diesel train, TRAINS and even magnetic, MAGNETIC magnetic levitation, LEVITATION levitation train, TRAINS train which 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 run, run a few few millimeter, millimeter, METER TRES millimeter above the track. ABOVE above. THE the track. TRACKS track. This train. THESE this train. TRAINS trains. ARE the. THE the fastest. FAST fast. EST fastest train. TRAINS trains in the world. WORLD world. There are. THERE the. ARE also. ALSO also. Super fast. SUPER super fast. FAST fast. Super fast train. TRAINS super fast train. And metro. METRO metro. RAILS metro rail. Now B question. Bring out the difference between the postal system of the olden days and the postal system of today. Now answer. In the olden days, messenger would travel on horses to faraway towns to convey messages. People also used pigeon to send messages in the form of small scrolls tied to their feet. Later, postal system called mail or post developed and helped to transport letter and parcels around the world. Nowadays, courier service, speed post and quick mail services are used to send urgent or important letter and parcel, though they are quite expensive. Now spelling. INN THE the olden 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 days 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 messenger MESSENGERS messengers would 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 travel 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 on horses horses to far away FARAWAY far away town town TO2 convey 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 messages MESSAGES messages. People 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 also 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 used used pigeon PIGEONS pigeon TO2 send messages MESSAGES messages. INN THE the farm FORM farm OFR small 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 scrolls SCROLLS tied 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 to their feet TO2 THEIR their feet FEET feet. Letter LATER letter. Postal POSTAL postal. System SYSTEM system. Called CALLED called. Mail MAIL mail. RORR POST post. developed, DEVEL, OPED, developed, ant, and helped, HELP, helped, ED, helped, TO2, transport, TRANS, transport, PORT, port, letters, 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 and and parcels, 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 around the world, AROUND, around, the world, WORLD, world. Nowadays, 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 courier, COURIER, services, 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 speed post, SPEED, speed post, 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 and quick mail services, QUICK, quick mail, MAIL, mail services, SERVICES, services are used to send, SENT, send, urgent, 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 or important letters, IMPOR, important, TANT, important, letter, LETTERS, letter, and and parcel, PARCELS, parcel, THOUGH, though they are, QUITE, quite, expansive, EXPENSIVE. Now, third one, what are satellite? What role do satellite play in the working of television, internet, and mobile phone? Again one time, what are satellite? What role do satellite play in the working of television, internet, and mobile phones? Now answer. A satellite is an electronic device that is sent into space and moves around the earth or another planet. Satellites can transmit sound, video, and data signals between distant locations. Satellites called communication satellite help in telecasting TV program. Mobile phone do not need wire as they connect through satellite in space. The internet is a network of millions of computers around the world which are connected to each other by phone line, fiber, optic cable, and satellite. Okay? Now, spelling a satellite, 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 IS is AN, and electronic, ELECT, electronic, RONIC, electronic device, 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 that, 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 IS is send, SENT, sent, into, 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 space, 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 and ANT, and moves, 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 around, 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 the, TH, the, earth, 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 or another planet, ANOTHER, another planet, 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 another planet. Now, second point, satellite can transmit sound, SATELLITE, satellite, LITES, satellite, can, can, transmit, TRANS, transmit, MIT, transmit sound, 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 video, 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 and, and, data, 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 signal, SIG, NALS, nals, signals, between, between, WEEN, ween, distant, DIS, TANT, dan, distant, location, location, CATIONS, location. Third point, satellites called SATEL, satellite, LITES, satellites called CAL, called, LED, led, called, communication, COM, MU, NINI, cation, 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 communication, satellite, SATELLITES, help in, HELP, help in, in, telecasting, TELE, telecasting, CAST, telecast, ink, ink, TV program, PROGRAMMES, program. Next point, mobile phone, mobile, BILE, mobile phone, PHONES, mobile phones. Do not, do not, 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 need, 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 wire, WIRES, wire, ASS, they, 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 connect, CON, NECT, nect, connect, through, 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 satellite, SATELLITES, satellite in space, SPACE, the internet, INTERNET, net, is a network, NETnet, WORK, work, of million, MILLIONS, millions of computers, COMPUTERS, computers around the world, which are connected, connected, net to each other by phone line, LINES, line, fiber, fiber, optic, OPTIC, optic cable, LES, cables, and satellite. Now D1, mention any two means of personal communication and mass communication that you would prefer. Now I explain about personal communication. Telephone. Telephone is fastest means of communication. One can talk to the person one needs to contact and receive immediately reply. Telephone, TELE, telephone, PHONE, telephone, IS is fastest, fast, FAST, EST, fastest, means of, MEANS, means of, OF, communication, COM, MU, NINE, CATION, communication. One can, ONE, one, CAN, talk, 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 to, TO2, the person, 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 one needs, NEEDS, needs to contact, CON, contact, TACT, tact,
and receive, receive, receive immediately, immediately, immediately reply, reply, immediately reply. Now aerogram, AEROGRAMS, grams. They are used to send messages to foreign countries. Now mass communication, radio and television, RADIO, radio, and ANT, and television, TELEVISION, television. They are most, most effective, EFFECTIVE, effective means of mass communication. We can listen, LISTEN, listen the news, 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 discussion, DISCUS, SION, discussion, and have entertainment at home, ENTER, entertain, TAINtainment, MENT, at home, entertainment at home. Again one time answer. Telephone is a personal communication. Telephone is fastest means of communication. One can talk to the person one needs to contact and receive immediately reply. Aerogram, they are used to send messages to foreign countries. Now mass communication, radio and television, they are most effective means of mass communication. We can listen the news, discussion, and have entertainment at home. Now, how have computers and the internet impacted our lives? Now answer. Computers and the internet work hand in hand to develop communication across the world. Computer, COMPUTERS, computer, and the internet, 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 work, 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 hand, 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 in hand to develop, DEVELOP, develop communication across the world. The internet is a network of millions of computers around the world which are connected to each other by phone line, fiber, optic cables, and satellite. Okay, connected, spelling CONNECTED, connected. Cable, CABLES, cable. Satellite, SATELLITES. Next point, the World Wide Web is collection of internet sites which help to connect many people as in the same platform. The world, THE, the world, WORLD, world wide, WIDE, wide web, WEB, collection, COLLECTION, collection of INDERNET, net site which help to connect many people as in the same platform, FPLAT, platform, FORM, platform. Students, please write soon. Complete after you send through the WhatsApp.